Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome y'all onto this channel, guys. And yeah, man, Bafetu, who remembers this lady, bezengikhohliwe mina about this whole thing, and I'm sure, food not good, I'm sure I even saw kuma comments on TikTok. Most people were like, yazi besesikhohliwe, we even forgot about this lady ukuthi wake wenzani. Check out this video and then we'll talk.
Fuck off, you losers! I don't even fucking have a degree from university. No, these ones fucking coffee your tea. Motherfuckers.
Shut up!
Hey, carry on doing your shit. Have coffee or tea.
Shut
up!
Yo, bafethu ziyakhala. You know when ku-releaswe i-SAPC last time it had released a statement, if I'm not mistaken, I'll just say everything is alleged because it's broke as naimali kubastud. What's this? Basho bathi they are going to do my internal investigations, what, and all of that. And all of us as abantu who felt like, no, this lady does need to be held accountable for her actions and all of that, and she was also wrong for what she was even doing, you understand. And we were also even like, laba mani baqamba manga kamabethi they are going to hold or do ama investigations internal what ntoni baqamba manga just nje bafuna ukuzivala imlomo, and then thina sihambe sokhipha ama rocks. Yazi besi wrong, into besi wrong yona. Check out this video.
Have fired me. They have fired me without doing an investigation. They have fired me without even giving me a phone call. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? And that is why I'm saying that I'm appalled, because the SABC, their code of conduct, is approved by the board. The board reports to the cabinet. The cabinet reports to the president. So how dare they do this, which is very unethical. It's not even according to the Labor Relations Act. I'm appalled. They released a statement saying that, yes, I'm their employee and they've contacted me, they're going to talk. They've never even given me a call till today.
Yeah, what in amasa tolanga ama copyrights. I need to come up with a plan when it comes to that. But with regards to that small clip, Shooty, okay, first things first, she's still, I feel like that's the same wig, or she likes ama wig I saw, but it does look like the same wig, like the one that she was wearing. Begale. Yeah, I think that's her thing. She loves Lama Week. So yeah, even though now I'm distracted because I keep on thinking of, what's underneath, but I keep on thinking about what is underneath. Now, just to also go back to what she was even saying on this particular video with Thomas Chaba. Yeah, Yazi, in terms of just being fired without any formal procedures being done, vele I do not think lokho kusase kuhamba ngokomthetho, because if someone is going to be fired kumele kube khona imithetho elandelwayo, as she's even talking about indaba zama code of conduct and all of that. Kumele vele kube khona imithetho elandelwayo in order for you to end up, or for them to get to a resolution or a conclusion ukuthi they are deciding, or they have decided to release you. You understand? But apparently that time when all of us were like, aye, amang should vele besizezikhala. Understand? Vele besebemxoshile. Do I feel sorry for her? No. I honestly do not feel sorry for someone who treats other people horribly and in the name of yenu nemali, or they are famous. Do you know who I am, and all of that? As she was even asking abantu lapha ama flight attendants, and even on that video that you even saw, they even babiza namaphoyisa and all of that. And it's fine ukuthi she's talking about indaba ukuthi yena she was traumatized. You were not drunk, you were not. And okunye, you'll even find out ukuthi even nakhona SABC, I said everything is alleged ungathola ukuthi nakhona SABC, she was treating people like piece of shit. You understand? She was treating everyone like that. Because you can tell what she has a big head. Okay, besides her having to take off the lentuzana for you to see what's in a big head. But you can tell, even when she was busy talking lapha, we flight, we are and all of that. You'll find out good vele becushiwe. And then they might tell you loophole, but vele bamdede. You understand? Image, guys, is very, very important. Most especially if usebenza endaweni ethile, because you can honestly lose your job because of image. You understand? Angiphathi ukugqoka uniform yalapho kuleyo msebenzi or that school or wherever and you're busy misbehaving, you can lose your job. I know we do not take these things seriously, but you can. And even this is even reminding me of Dominic Ukuti. Your actions can definitely make you lose your job. Because Dominic work. Next thing is be fired, by homeless. You understand? So we honestly do need to be careful of the things that we're doing. That's what I'm learning from all of this. We need to be careful of what we're doing, where Nabubani, and yeah. You understand? Yeah, but for her now, she you can tell Guti Shem says so no manj. And I saw a comment on Twitter that was on TikTok that was like, Auntie, I thought she said she knew people in high places. Where are these people now? Bapis. As Bapis. Bapis buying. Yeah. Who was strong about fate? But I don't feel sorry for her. She very want she started treating I want to have cut her off. Even though nje vele bengamazi nokubazi, but ngimcut her off. Apparently akusimina ngedwa ke ngamcut her off. Like iyabukhatha yona. Into amkhatha yona. Yeah, tell me what you think about this whole thing down below, guys. Yeah, man. Sure.